Hello guys, welcome to session 81. Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome to the class. I hope you're okay. In this session, we want to work on some vocabulary techniques and how to record and learn vocabulary. And also we want to start a new unit, which is good. Now, let's start. Okay, let's see. Vocabulary notebook. Are you tired, Nusreti?
No, no.
Okay. Well, let's see. Vocabulary notebook. Learning tip. Verbs plus. So if you have a notebook, you can write down verbs and the words you can write after them. For example, play music, play sports, play soccer. This is one nice technique to learn new vocabulary. Okay.
Yes.
So let's check out the tip. Write down verbs and the words you can use after them. We have the verbs here. We have play, eat, take, and do. Also, we have the words that can come after them. A class, breakfast, dinner, homework, lessons, lunch, music, on a team, snacks, soccer, the laundry, video games. Okay? These are the words. Now let's match them with the correct verb. For play, we can say play music, right?
Yes.
Play music. What else we can say?
Play soccer
Play soccer,
and play video game.
play video games, right? One more.
Play on a team.
Play on a team, right? Play on a team, that's right. On a team. These are the items that we can match with these verb phrases. Okay, let's go to eat.
Eat dinner,
Dinner,
breakfast,
breakfast,
lunch,
lunch,
snack.
snacks, right? That's right, okay. So eat dinner, eat breakfast, lunch, and snacks. These are the different items. Let's go to take.
Take class.
Take a class, right?
That's it.
Take
Take
lessons,
lessons.
like taking tennis lessons or I don't know, things like that. Last one is do,
Do the laundry.
the laundry, right? What else?
Do do homework.
Oh, yes, do homework. Okay, so this is a very nice way. If you have a, I don't know, if you have a vocabulary notebook or something like that, you can use this. Or maybe you can just take a screenshot from this page and have it on your cell phone or computer. Now, let's go to the next part. Think of words and expressions that go with these phrases. Now, if you have a dictionary, you can search this word in the dictionary, go watch and read, and see how many phrases you can match with this, okay? And then write it down in your vocabulary, like, for example, go to a class, go out, go to a gym, go to the gym, okay? Go home, for example, okay? And things like that, okay? Or go away, maybe. Well, if you have a dictionary, as I said, you can search it, okay?
Yeah.
Now let's complete these really quick. We have watched documentaries. Can you add one more, please?
Watch TV.
Watch TV, right? Or maybe watch a movie.
Yeah, I watch movie.
Okay. And the last one is read.
Read the newspaper.
Read the newspaper.
Read a book.
Read a book. Yes, that's good. That's good. Okay, thank you. If you guys know any other expressions with these verb phrases, please comment for us in the comment section. I'll be happy to check them. Now, okay, let's move on to the last part. Okay, you can see all these different ideas that we learned in this unit. In these short videos, we learned how to ask and answer questions about free time, talking about how often, talking about TV shows I like and I don't like, and also asking questions in two different ways, using I mean, understand the main topics in conversation, and understanding conversations about cell phone, and also reading an article about technology addicts, and write an email for a friend to ask for advice. All right. Now, in the next part, we want to start the new unit. It's about neighborhoods. Let's talk about the word neighborhoods. First of all, before we talk about that, let's talk about this word, neighbor. Who is a neighbor?
Neighbor.
You know? Yes.
Next. Around.
A person who lives next or near you.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a neighbor. A person who lives next or near you is called a neighbor. Now, what's a neighborhood? Neighborhood is different. Neighborhood is the area around you.
Yeah.
Okay, not the people, but the area around you. That's called a neighborhood. The area around you. Okay, let me ask you a question. What are some things in the neighborhood around here, around the place where you live? For example, we have a park. What other areas do you have in the neighborhood?
We have a 4 mall near me.
You have what?
We have a 4 mall near me.
4 malls.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a lot of malls. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have shopping malls. Good.
Yeah.
Good. Anything else?
And supermarket and grocery.
Grocery stores. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Now in the book, if you look at the pictures here, you can see 4 different places. Number 1 is a mall. Number 2 is a stadium. Number 3 is a park. And number 4 is a museum. Number 4 is a museum. Okay. So these are different places that we have. Let's look at the questions. What do people do at these places? At a mall, what do people do?
Buy and sell.
Yes, they buy and sell different stuff. Okay.
Yes.
What about number 2? What do people do at the stadium?
Play soccer on base.
They might watch games, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What about number 3?
In the park,
Yes.
exercise and hang out with my friend or family.
Yep. Okay. And in a museum?
In museum, watch old things and
Yes, they usually watch old things, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Watch classic old things or antiques. Okay. So which of these places do you like?
I like museum.
Museum. Okay. Do you have a museum in your neighborhood?
In my neighborhood, no.
No, you don't? Okay.
Yeah,
And
it's
how
far.
often do you...
It's far.
Oh, it's far. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not near you.
Yeah.
Tell me, how often do you go to the museum?
And once a year.
Once a year. That's good. That's good. Okay. Well, so at the end of this video, I want to thank you all for watching this. Don't forget to follow and subscribe us and leave a comment if you like the videos and hit the thumbs up button. I will see you in the next session. Goodbye.
Bye, guys.